NBC29 forecast.
Well, hope you were able to get outside at some point today. Gorgeous afternoon. Temperatures soaring well in the 60s, even some low 70s across the Commonwealth this afternoon. You may have noticed some clouds such as these. These are alto cumulus clouds. Jim Carpenter captured that nice shot. They often resemble scales. Sometimes they're called a mackerel sky heaps. The altitude of those clouds anywhere from 6,500 to about 20,000 feet up in the atmosphere, usually indicative of changing weather. 61 is the current reading at the airport. Touched 70 for a high today. That's more like mid-April. Southerly winds at 5. Take a look at numbers in the Shenandoah Valley. Currently 57 with mostly clear skies. Temperature made it up to 65 this afternoon. Right now we got 59 in Madison, 60 there in Orange, 58 in Palmyra, 56 in Waynesboro, and 57 currently in Stanton. Temperatures tonight generally back in the mid and low 40s. Another night above freezing, and more clouds will gather as we head into the late night and overnight period. Now tomorrow is still a warm day. Temperatures back in the mid and upper 60s across central Virginia, at least some low and mid 60s in the Shenandoah Valley. We have more cloud cover, but the main focus tomorrow is on the wind. It will be a breezy day area wide. We could easily have gusts of wind 20-30 miles an hour, with some of the ridge tops maybe stronger. Currently there's no advisory in place. That could change, especially for the higher elevations, but regardless, breezy area wide. We run the risk of a passing shower tomorrow into Friday morning, but for the most part, paltry amounts of any rainfall. It would be well under 1/10 of an inch, it does appear. So a breezy day here for Thursday, but still warm. Now temperatures are still going to remain in the low and mid 60s on Friday behind the passage of the cool front, but we'll still have more clouds around. And then we'll return to a lot more seasonable temperatures here by Saturday, if not downright colder on Sunday, with the storm to impact the region. We'll get to that in a moment, but just some high clouds filtering through. More clouds will gather from the south and west here tonight. We're out ahead of a cold front that's well to our west. The main storm itself is down here across the southern plain states, Arkansas and Oklahoma, and you can see the tornado watch boxes, Memphis, down toward Louisiana, areas north and west of New Orleans, up into Jackson, Mississippi, and the like. This main storm is going to head up toward the Great Lakes, and we'll be displaced from the impacts of the big storm here, but it'll drive the wind in advance of it for tomorrow. So a breezy day, and of course you can see some of the warmth here even at this hour. Still 42 in Chicago, so I'm in for early February. This is certainly mild. Here we are in the morning, temperatures in the 40s, lots of cloud cover throughout the day. Still warm but breezy, temperatures in the 60s, and there may be that passing shower just about any time, but not really any significant rain. Friday morning will start in the 40s with some clear skies to start, but the cold front stalled off to our south and west. More clouds will gather during the day on Friday, low and mid 60s. And then while Saturday is dry, here we are Sunday morning. A storm developing across the Carolinas and headed toward the coast brings moisture northbound. Early Sunday, temperatures will be at or just below freezing, especially north and west. So we could have a scenario where we have a mix and some snow, goes over to rain for a while. And then as the storm departs Sunday evening, it'll wrap in some colder air that it could change it back over to some mix or some snow before ending. That's something we'll be watching. That would be Super Bowl Sunday. Temperatures tonight in the low and mid 40s, mostly cloudy, passing shower, breezy, and still warm here for your Thursday. Temperatures will begin to cool down by the end of the week, but more so this weekend. Again, chilly by the weekend, and watching Sunday for the potential of a cold rain, maybe a little bit of snow or a mix, and we'll follow that over the next several days.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll be right